adding roars to life. Roads stretching far as the eye, hands gripping on tight, stars lighting up the sky.